How to change your YouTube TV location. YouTube TV uses your home area to provide region-specific content like local channels and sports networks. If you've moved or need to update your location, follow these steps. 1. Change your YouTube TV location on the website Computer. Step 1. Sign in. Open your web browser and go to the YouTube TV website. Sign in with your Google account. Step 2. Go to Settings. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Change your home area. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the Area section. Click Edit next to your current home area. Enter your new address and click Save. 2. Change your YouTube TV location on mobile devices, iOS/Android. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app. Open the YouTube TV app on your mobile device. Sign in with your Google account. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the app. Select Settings from the menu. Step 3. Change your home area. Tap on the Area section. Enter your new address and update your home area. Your location will be updated, granting you access to local channels and region-specific content. 3. Important notes. Home area limitations. You can only change your home area once every 3 months. This limitation prevents frequent location changes. Location-based content. Changing your location may impact the local channels and regional sports networks available to you. The new location will also affect the content shown in your recommendations. By following these steps, you can easily update your location on YouTube TV.